Hello friends, now I am taking the third question, which is syllabus decoding. Okay, which is syllabus decoding. Okay, you can see here, the syllabus plays a key role in the UPSC examination because everything in the mains is asked directly from the syllabus. Okay, you should complete all the key points in the syllabus, and the syllabus key points should be all round completion. Okay, all round in the sense you should have introduction, you should have conclusion, you should have body parts such as merits, demerits, and the main points and recent amendments and the recent current affairs. Everything you should add in that book. Okay, guys. Okay. PYQs analysis is the most important. Okay, to decode the syllabus. Okay, by seeing the syllabus, you can't understand anything. If you analyze the previous year questions of last 10 years, then you will get to know what are the areas which are more focused by the UPSC or any state examination. Okay, that's why PYQs also plays a key role in this examination. Okay, guys, if you see here in the prelims examination, examination, do complete main syllabus. Okay, do complete main syllabus which covers around 80 to 90% of the topics. Many people don't know about the prelims syllabus. Okay, no one knows about the prelims syllabus. They just mentioned about some topics. That's it. They don't know what they ask. That's why completing the entire mains topic will be weapon for this preliminary exam, because entire topics 80 to 90% are directly taken from the main syllabus only. Okay, for prelims, solving the MCQs and current affairs is the only solution. Okay, for mains, write down the important mains questions. Okay, important mains question in the sense you need to bring the important topic, important themes from mains question, from PYQs. Okay, which are repeated regularly. Okay, I will show you the example. Don't worry. You can see here, effects of liberalization on the economy, change in industrial policy and their effects on industrial growth. This is present in the GS3. Okay, GS3 syllabus, you can see this point. If you have a syllabus, you can check this. Please pause the video, and once you check the syllabus, I hope you are doing that. You are checking about this point, right? Okay, the effects of liberalization on the economy and changes in the industrial policy and their effects on industrial growth. This is present in the GS3 economy topic. Okay, for this topic there are some PYQs which are related to this topic. Okay, I written PYQs. Okay, you see here, under which there are some themes which are regularly repeating in last 10 years. Okay, I written down each and every theme here. You can see here, from last 10 years I got these 7 topics which are highly important and highly repetitive. I will read each and everything. You can see here, how to increase the share of manufacturing sector in the GDP. Okay, this is the theme. Manufacturing sector is the theme. Okay, failure of manufacturing sector. See here, theme is the manufacturing sector. Failure of the manufacturing sector, reasons and what measures need to take. Okay, why industrial growth are lagged behind, why industrial growth is lagged behind. Okay, recent changes in the industrial policy. Okay, special economic zones, importance and their issues. Okay, service sector, can India become a developed country with the service sector? Okay, impact of liberalization on India's economy, Indian companies. Okay, you can see here, you can directly see that manufacturing sector and industrial sector and service sector, the major focus is there on these 3 topics. Okay, you can see here, I written each and every theme clearly here. Okay, you need to, if they mention about a manufacturing sector in the examination, in the previous year examination, then you need to bring that manufacturing sector into one book, one page, and you need to brainstorm this into all round. I already told about the all round. All round in the sense you should cover the merits, demerits, and you should also provide some suggestions, and you should think of introduction, and you should also write the conclusion. You should bring the recent changes in the industrial policy, the recent current affairs, everything you need to bring under one roof. Okay guys, so after completing this, I started making notes. You can see here MSME sector, I written here MSME, so that I brought here. I started reading MSME sector. I classified this MSME sector into micro, small and medium. And I also written the contributions of the MSME sector. You can see here the contribution, how I written. And I also written the importance of the MSME sector, the government initiatives and policies for MSME growth. What are the government taken steps to improve the MSME sector? Okay, and sectors under MSME. What are the sectors present in the MSME? MSME is not only related to particular, it include manufacturing, manufacturing service also. Okay friends, okay, you got, I hope you got the clear idea about the syllabus decoding. Okay, I will also show the another subject. You can see this is GS4 ethics. You can pause a video and go to GS4 syllabus. Okay, you can go to GS4 ethics syllabus, under which you can find a probity in governance, the concept of public service, philosophical basis of governance and probity, information sharing and the transparency in the governance. Okay, right to information, code of ethics, code of conduct, citizen charter, work culture, quality of service delivery, utilization of public funds, challenges of corruption. You can see these PYQs are related to this subtopic in the syllabus. Okay, so I brought these PYQs. Okay, the corruption. You can see here corruption is the theme of the question. Okay, corruption, its reasons and measures. Okay, the work environment, cohesion and under undue influence. Okay, why probity is essential and measures to strengthen the probity in the governance. Okay, social capital and use in the good governance, e-governance, whistleblowers and measures to protect the whistleblowers, the social audit, public servants and their roles are expected. Okay, right to information, importance and its importance of right to information, challenges of right to information and Official Secrets Act, that how that lead to threat for right to information. Okay, difference between the code of ethics and code of conduct. If you see, if you decode this like this, everything, the questions for particular topic, then it will be easy for you when you complete this topic in static portion in classes. Then you can directly come here and you can take these questions and write down the answers, and you can keep a separate notebook for answer writing also. Okay, I hope you people got a clear picture about this syllabus decoding. Okay, in the next video I am going to take the another question, okay, which is fourth question.